What's up, what's up, what's up? Here I have 2 chuck steaks, boneless, that I'm getting ready to prepare. And a handful of all the other seasonings. I'm going to mix those all together. I have them all mixed in here. So we're just going to sprinkle that. And try to kind of massage that in. Rub it in real good. Flip it over. And do the same on the other side. All right, for my chuck steak, I've added some oil and a little butter, and I'm flouring. All right, my steak is browning. I have 2 actually. This one, and then this one over here, that's already ready to go. We're going to be removing this out of the skillet in a minute, and then I'm going to cook my onions and make a little gravy and let it cook for about 45 minutes on simmer. All right, my onions are cooking, and when I tell y'all it's smelling up in here, the aroma of these onions and the seasonings from the meat, oh my God. Only you can smell it through the video. So we're going to let these cook for a little bit. And then I'm going to make my little gravy. And the meat will simmer. Alright, I've added about a half a cup of flour into this oil. I'm getting all those bits. That's the good stuff down there. All the bits. And we're going to let that cook a little bit, get that flour cooked out, taste, and then I'll be adding in some beef broth. All right, I've added some beef broth, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to have to get some more in there. I'll probably do about a half of this pot, maybe about 2 cups. See, needs a little more broth in there. Still a little more. I think this is about, looks like it feels like I have used a half of a box now. There are actually 4 8-ounce cups in a box of beef stock, so I've used probably half of the box. Right. So let me taste it. Let it cook for a bit, and let me see if I need to add any seasonings. All right, it does need a little seasoning, so I'm going to add in my Knorr's. This is real soft. I just mash it and just put that in there. Soak it all up. Let me do a taste test right now. Oh. Oh yeah, that did it. I'm gonna put a little more stock in here. All right. And then I'm going to add a pat of butter. Give it some richness once it's complete.
And RJ, you look at what LeBron's doing this year. First of all, most players won't play half as long as LeBron. And all of them dream about having the type of season that he's having in year 18. I'm telling you, there's Hall of Famers that wish that they had careers and years like this in